So guys, for today we're gonna play pure soccer. Pure soccer me alone. Oh, no. Best save. The best save in 2026. Best save in. Oh my god. Oh, we must do it. Oh wow. Oh wow, go did the L. Oh, that's one. Oh wait, sorry. What? Wait. That's two. It's the end. This is the end. Please do a comeback. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh, so. Oh my god, Uncle Break. Yes! This must be the easiest comeback I've seen. Maybe not the easiest. We're gonna lose, bro. Gonna lose, bro. Don't waste time. Let's train, guys. Train. Why did I even jump? But I forgot how to run. Oh yeah, there's a one. Oh my god. What? No. Wait, is it Z? Well, I did not do the early. Oh, okay, best save. The best save. Oh, cut off camera, bro. Cut off. How many minutes there's left? Is still time. Come on, bro. Oh no! Come on! No! Shoot it! Ah! It's okay. It's new. At least it's new. Yeah, I know it's new. I remember when I was new on this game, bro. Wait, bro. I forgot how. Wait. What? Wait, sorry guys. The mic fault. Oh my. Oh, so close. Lot of stealer nowadays, bro. Oh my god, bro. Someone unsub to me, but that's okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on! It's oh wow. Oh, so close. Wait. Still waiting for a save, bro. Again? I know it's weak on, but I'm not. Oh my god, this guy! Why you jumping, bro? Huh? I don't get it. Wait. Hey. Oh! Who's in the world? Oh, it's okay. They have more chance. What? Wait, it's okay. I wanna be a goalkeeper, not a goalie. Well, you know what I am, a YouTuber, man. I love like.
Ain't no way I'm not dying, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Whoa! It's okay, bro. It's okay. Bro, calm down. It's okay. It's freaking okay, bro. It's okay. Bam. I'm gonna upload it later. Later. I cannot see it, bro. Why do you need that? Like, ew. But and still time. So many alerts. Bro, if you bicycle it, kick it, I'm cool, bro. Shoot it! Still wasting time! Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you like it. Please like